गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। लंदन में आते ही मेरे साथ कुछ ऐसा हुआ जो कि मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था। पता है कितना डर गई थी मैं। आइए आपको दिखाती हूँ। आई होप आई डू नॉट फॉरगेट द प्लेस वेयर आई केम फ्रॉम। आई थिंक हम यहीं से आए थे। आई एम अ लिटिल कंफ्यूज्ड ओवर the way and I think I need to go back. 28:50. गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों, आज है मेरा पहला दिन लंदन में और मैंने अपने दिन की शुरुआत की अपने हेल्थ एंड ब्यूटी रूटीन से और पिया डिटॉक्स वाटर। दिन की पहली जंग मैंने जीत ली थी सुबह 5:30 बजे उठ के, और फिर दूसरी जंग जीती अपने शूज़ के लेसेस बांध के। यहाँ बांधने वाला है नहीं ना कोई। फिर खुद को दिया ब्यूटी चेक, दरवाजे को किया लॉक और मैं निकल पड़ी थी अपने मिशन पर। बाहर निकल के मैंने देखे खूबसूरत घर और लंदन के नज़ारे जो लग रहे थे बहुत ही प्यारे। सो दिस इज़ माय फर्स्ट डे इन लंदन एंड इट्स क्वाइट कोल्ड। इट्स रेनिंग, नॉट रेनिंग राइट नाउ बट इट रेन्ड फ्यू मिनट्स अगो. So you can see the streets, they're all wet, it's too green and I feel comparatively cold. It's 17 degree at this time but I feel really cold. You can see the goosebumps, right? And I think since my body has not yet adapted to the environment here, I am still feeling jet lagged. And hey, can you see the flight here? It's very near to the airport, so you can see the flights every 35 seconds. So my body has still not over from the jet lag. So I don't know where to go. Wait a second, let me find the way first. So what I'm trying to do is, I got up early today at around 5:30 am, which is 10 am in India. So I thought I should go for a walk. And I'm going to a park for the walk. The weather is beautiful. And I think during this tenure of mine in London, I can lose some weight or maybe get a little fitter. So stay tuned. So we have now reached this park. I still don't know the name of this park, but yes, let's go inside and explore. So I have reached this park. It seems to be a beautiful one. The name is Beaversfield Park, Hounslow West. So I'm at, can you see the name here? Beaversfield Park, Hounslow West. And let's proceed further. I think I can come here daily. Oh my god, see the view. It's beautiful. It's insane. Alright, and now you see we have some machines here to work out as well. I'm not sure if I'm going to start the workout today itself. Let's first take a quick round of the park and then maybe we can proceed further. And you can see my laces. I don't know when I'm going to be perfect with this laces thing, but yeah, these get open every time and I'm tired of it. Maybe you guys can give me a few classes or tips how to stay tight for a long time. It's beautiful. It's green. You can hear the birds chirping. And yes, let's go. We are going for a quick walk. Oh, I can see some white birds as well. I'll show you in some time. Reaching there. weather. It's like it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's amazing. And these birds chirping, all of them make everything seem so beautiful. Guys, I just cannot take this. Can you see this? That time it was in other laces, this time it's this. I don't know how am I going to tie these laces again and again and again, and they keep opening. It's just not fair towards me. Very good. Let's continue with our journey. I can see some swings here. I think I'll show you. Right, these are the swings. So let's open the gate. पार्क में घुसते ही मुझे मेरा बचपन याद आ गया. ऐसा लगता है सब कल की ही तो बातें हैं. अभी तो सब यहीं था, अचानक से पता नहीं कहाँ गया. Oh, these are beautiful ones. Right now there isn't anyone. Maybe in the evening or some other time we can see some kids around. Oh my god, can you see that squirrel? Oh. I also get to see a lot of squirrels at my home, but those are quite different from the one I can see here. See? Alright, let's not breach her privacy. These are pretty good swings, so you can have little kids inside these without worrying about their safety. Oh, these are pretty little mushrooms here. And yeah. These are the pencils, and this might be the sharpener. Oh wow, what kind of swing is this? Oh, this is a spring seesaw kind of thing. I think I need a partner opposite me to enjoy this, but nonetheless, since there isn't any, let's proceed towards this. Oh my god, that's a beautiful one. Maybe I could have enjoyed it if these were not wet with rain. Oh, that's a beautiful net for kids. Oh my god, that's a beautiful squirrel again. Oh, it ran. Why are they running? Okay, let's leave her alone for some time. So we have these swings as well here. And this, I don't know what is it called, but I think it's for moving from here till here. I don't know. I can't keep my phone somewhere and try this because everything is wet around. Oh my god, and the bestest part. You can see here the beautiful birds. इससे मुझे DDLJ का वो डायलॉग याद आ गया. इनमें से कोई एक आधा कबूतर शायद यहीं से उड़ के गया हो. So say hi to this beautiful one. Hello pigeon. Hi. Hey, hello pigeon. Hello. Seems he wants to come to me, but he's afraid. Hello. I don't have anything to give you to eat. I think tomorrow maybe I can get something for them to eat, and then they can come towards me. Hello. He's not afraid of me. Otherwise, oh, he thinks I have something to eat or something to give to him. But I really don't have. Bye bye birds. Bye pigeon. Bye. Oh, he's coming towards me. Bye. So there's another swing. I think multiple children can sit here and then we can enjoy this. So, yeah. It seems nice, but it's wet currently. Oh, we can see a cat here as well. Oh, it's running. Is it afraid? Oh, I don't want her to eat any pigeons because cats usually eat pigeons, right? Let's proceed. Let's complete our round of the park. Let's go through this gate. And it seems to be a basketball court. A basketball court. Let's proceed. आगे बढ़ते हैं हम. Wow, that seems to be some beautiful old building. What is that? And that's the flight again. Is it 30 seconds since the time we started? So a flight goes, 2 flights go. You can see 2 flights every 1 minute here. That seems to be a beautiful building, doesn't it? I don't know what is that. I can maybe try going here during the day. And right now let's be here. मम्मी की बनाई हुई वो छोटी छोटी 2 चोटियाँ, दोस्तों के साथ घास में बैठ के खाई हुई वो रोटियाँ, सब 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 याद आ जा रहा था. पर खैर छोड़ो, आगे बढ़ते हैं. I think if I settle down here, this would be a good place, but I still can't judge because I haven't visited other places. But yeah, this seems to be quite amazing. See white birds which I was talking about earlier. Can you see them? Hello birds. Oh, they are running away from me. Again, there's a flight. If you like these kind of voices, then maybe it's a pretty good place for you to stay. But if you do not like these sounds all the time, then this might not be a good place, because even during your sleep you will keep hearing these sounds every 30 seconds. My god. So yeah, that's insane. And if you do not have a sound sleep, then it might disrupt the same. See the birds, the trees, and ये मैं हूँ, ये हमारे बर्ड्स हैं और ये हमारी वॉक हो रही है. So I think इतनी वॉक आज के लिए बहुत है. ऑल्दो मैंने एक राउंड भी पूरा नहीं किया है, but I think for day 1 this is enough to explore, because I do not even have mobile data in my phone. I cannot call anyone, so I think it's better to reach my place through the exact same route that I already know of, and maybe later I can explore other ways and maybe other routes too. So you can see again, this is where we started from, Beorsfield Park, Hounslow West, and now I am moving out of this park after 1 round. We saw beautiful birds, swings, and the beautiful park, and yes, not to forget our pretty squirrel as well. Again, there's a flight. I don't know if I'm going to like it after some time. Initially it was good to see the flights all the time, but now I think, see, this is the pretty road and beautiful houses. I think the houses, all of them are kinda in the same format, right? And we can see some cars here. This is BMW. This is, I don't know what car is it. Yeah, you can park your cars outside your houses and on the main road as well. And maybe I'll just take you till I reach my place, and maybe if you want to see something else, know about something else, you can let me know in the comments below, and I can maybe try to get the information regarding that thing. See the beautiful roads, and this looks pretty. And अब हम वॉक कर रहे हैं वापस घर की तरफ and I hope I do not forget the place where I came from. I think हम यहाँ से आए थे but I'm really confused on where to go again. Maybe let's try this one, and if this doesn't work we'll go again towards the same end of the road, and then maybe we can try again. See, there are beautiful trees. I can maybe get a flower from here. Should I pluck it? Should I not? Let's pluck one flower because this looks amazingly beautiful. And can I try put it in my hair? How do I do that? What do I do here? No, it's not sticking. Maybe I can see in the car's window. Yes. Oh, though it looks beautiful, but if I had someone with me, they could have. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Of course, till whatever time it gets stuck into my hair. And I can see the house numbers here. I'm not sure if I'm going in the right direction, but let's keep moving. I don't think that's the right place I should be at. Am I lost or am I lost? Oh my god, I think I'm actually lost here. This is house number 1820, and I think I should click a picture of mine with this flower before it gets down. So let me click the picture and then I'll get back to you. So I have clicked the picture. I can share it with you as well, but yeah, let's proceed. And I think I am in the right direction, and I might have reached my place, but no, it doesn't seem to be. Why? So 28 40. घर आते आते बड़ी देर हो गई और रास्ते में मैं पता नहीं कहाँ खो गई. I'm a little confused over the way, and I think I need to go back. This is not where we stay, and अब मैं वापस जा रही हूँ देखने के लिए. अब मेरा दिल थोड़ा डरने लगा था और मेरा रोने का मन करने लगा था. मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं यहीं पर थी. Let's go again towards the end of the road and see कि हमने कौन सा कलर टर्न लिया है, because हम यहाँ तो नहीं रहते हैं. Right. So guys, stay tuned. I'll let you know once I reach home. But till the time, let me try to find the way first, and I'll get back to you once I reach home. ठीक है, एक बार घर पहुँच जाऊँ, I think then I can be relaxed and I can share more information with you. So stay tuned. जब तक मैं घर पहुँच जाऊँ. Now reached at my place. पहुँच गई हूँ. Decorated so well. I think यहाँ कोई शादी या फंक्शन रहा होगा. But yeah, let's proceed to our house. I hope we are in the right street. से गलत जगह पर आ गई हूँ और यहाँ पर भी हमारा घर नहीं है। What is this happening? मुझे अभी तक बिल्कुल सही डायरेक्शन में सही गली में हूँ, but seems it's not the case. Let me find out my place again, guys. Bye. Will let you know in the next video how I reached my place and how many wrong turns did I take. Bye. Again I can see the flight, but I cannot see the right turn to take. मुझे नहीं पता मुझे किस जगह जाना है, but देखते हैं. Now I am literally tired by walking so much. थोड़ी सी वॉक करने जाना था मुझे, इतनी भी नहीं, तो बहुत ज़्यादा वॉक हो गई और मुझे जो घर है नहीं मिल रहा. आई थिंक इट्स डे 1, दैट्स व्हाई. तो चलो पहले घर घूमते हैं, उसके बाद हम बात. हाँ सेफली पहुंच गई हूँ मैं घर. अब आप लोगों के सपोर्ट और ब्लेसिंग्स की वजह से पहुंचना ही था. इसी तरह एक दिन अपनी मंजिल पर भी पहुंच जाऊंगी अगर आप लोगों का सपोर्ट और ब्लेसिंग्स मेरे साथ बने रहे. तो आइए आगे की जर्नी के लिए बने रहिए मेरे साथ.